Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will learn how we can fetch data in Next.js. So we will see here client side and server side, how we can fetch data on both the side. Okay, first we will see in client side. Currently you can see this is our client side data. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will say here I will use effect here. So use effect is basically, or what else I will do, I will create here one function. Okay, so I will say const and function name like fetch data, fetch data, one sec, data is equals to, and this will be an arrow function, and we will use it as an async. So that after that I will say const data is equals to, and I want to say await, and I will use here fake API. So I will say fetch, and I have opened the fake API URL. So currently here you can see this is a URL, like we can, if I refresh it, so this will give me this demo data. Okay, so I will paste it here, and I will log this data whatever I got. Okay, I will say console, one sec, so I will say console dot log data. Okay, I have got it the data, I can format it. Now I need to call this function. Okay, so when I will call this function, I will call this function when I will push this. Okay, means when I will click on this button, I am saying call this function. Cool. Now next I will go to my browser, and I will inspect here. Now I will come to my console, and if I refresh, I hope these errors will go. Okay, now if I click on navigation, currently you can see we have got a response, and inside our body we have the data. Okay, if I do here, I will say here const da is equals to data dot json, and if I hit enter, and I want console da, and if I click here, it is saying okay. I will say await, wait for this also. Okay, if I click here, I am getting the data, and I am getting 200 data. Okay, so this is what we have done, the data fetching in client side. Okay, so this is what we have done, data fetching on client side. Now we will do the same on server side. Okay, how we can do on server side. So what I will do, I will create one file with the name server.js. okay, server.js, and I will paste the same code here. But what I will do, export default I will say, or I will say export, I will say export const fetch data. Okay, and I will console here. Fine, I will console here. So what I will do right now, and I will make it async, by the way, export. Okay, fine, I will use here use server. Okay, and now here I will remove this from here, this one line of code, and I will import this. Okay, I will say fetch data. Okay, this has been fetch data has been imported from /server from here. Now I will click on this button. Okay, I have clicked on this button. Now in terminal we have got my data. Okay, whatever the data was there, I have got that data. Now what I want, like I want this user id 4. Okay, user id 4 data. So what I will do, /4. Okay, now if I again uh, do it towards the bottom, and if I click on again here, then I will get the data of 4. Okay, currently you can see I have got the data of user id, sorry, id as 4. Okay, so this is what we can do data fetching in server side and client side. I hope guys you enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are liking this playlist. If you are, yes, then please do follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and show your support. Thank you.